Hi, Rob Lukey with Shop Prop Realty. Let's talk real estate rebates to buyers and savings to sellers. So when our client listed this property with us, 6637 Purple Crab Drive, Newark, California, for $2,798,000 is what the property sold for. It was listed slightly underneath that. They paid a listing commission to Shop Prop of $2,995 for full service. They offered a buyer's agent commission of 2.5%. Another buyer's agent represented the buyer, so they were paid $69,950. If everybody would list through Shop Prop, that would go away. Good news is when they purchased this new home through us, it was a new construction in Bellevue, Washington. We bought it for $2.5 million, negotiated the price down. The builder offered a 3% commission or $75,000. $7,495 went to Shop Prop. We did full service for this client, showed them a bunch of houses, but the commission to the buyer was $67,505. So the total commission when selling was $72,945. The commission back when buying was $67,505. When they switched their home, they paid a total commission of $5,440. Normal commission, even at a 1% commission when they sold, would be $97,930. This client saved $92,490. Thank you very much.